Hey, what's going on, fellow YouTubers? All Things Tech here. Today I have two special guests, Justin, Mackie J, and Obi Swank. I didn't want to mess that up, but anyways, I'm going to fix their iPhone 7 Plus today in about 30 minutes to 45 minutes top, and I'm going to make $200. So stay tuned. I'm going to go through the process. I'm going to show you how to do the hustle to make $200 in roughly 30 to 40 minutes. All Things Tech here. That's two phones. I'm gonna lap it 25 minutes, 20 seconds. And your phones are done. I think this one needs to be charged and this one this is good to go. So I'm gonna lap this real quick and
30 minutes. Not even that. 20
minutes. Let me do a cut right here. Switching from philosophical life coaching stuff back to phone repair. But anyway, so yeah, just finished the phone repair. Did it in 25 minutes and 28 seconds right here. Phone's done. All Things Tech here. Share your comments. Let me know if you like the hustle. If you don't like the repair, that's fine. Tell me what you want me to show you how to hustle. I'll make a video just for you. Alright, thanks for watching All Things Tech here. Alright, we out. Thank you.